How to use ChatGPT without phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to basically sign up with ChatGPT without using your phone number. Now basically, people use the OpenAI software and probably sign up when they're like logging in for an account using their phone number. So I'm going to click on try ChatGPT. And once you go and click on try ChatGPT, it's going to ask you to sign up and everything. And once you go and sign up, it's going to ask you if you want to either sign up using your phone number or your email address. So you're just going to add your email address. And once you do that, it's going to be easy. But if you add your email address here, it says, please note that phone verification is required. Now, if you use this, it will only require then. You can just choose continue with Google or continue with Microsoft. And at that point, it will not ask you for your phone number. So that is how you sign up with ChatGPT without using your phone number.
Make money with AI today. Download a free guide now at aimoneytips.com.